Hello, this is not the Beast. The Beast has been missing in action. My job is to go find him. I have a walkie-talkie. I'm going to contact him. Look around. No Beast. No Beast. Oh, it's Psychopath. No. And let me check again. Oh, no. No. I can't find him. The Beast. The Beast. Hello, are you there? Let's check again. Oh, I think something's coming through. Good thing that I at least killed all the enemies before he did that. The Beast, are you there? Are you there? That was the devil. Run. Help. Sorry, Spaz. Use extra gun. Aim for that thing underneath there. I think it worked. I'm gonna go see if the Beast is there, and I'm gonna go revive him. Goodbye.